All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on our last section, turning a fraction into a percent. This is very similar to the one we just did in the fact that we're going to do two steps. We're going to turn our fraction into our decimal and then our decimal into our percent. So we're kind of going to go backwards through the process. So number one, we're going to turn our fraction, because we're turning a fraction to a percent. So we're starting with a fraction, like 3/8, to a decimal. And we know how to do that. We're taking top, or numerator, divided by bottom, or denominator. Okay? Then, once we have that decimal, all we have to do is multiply the decimal by 100 to turn that decimal to a percent. All right, so steps we already know from up above, just putting them together. So let's look at this example. We have the fraction 3/8. Okay, so we're going to start with our calculator. We're going to do the division because the fraction bar means to divide. 3 divided by 8. Oh, forgot to turn it on. 3 divided by 8. We get 0.375. Okay, so 3 divided by 8.375. There's my decimal. Then step 2 is to multiply that decimal by 100 to turn it into a percent. Okay, we know we can do that on our calculator if we want. So we can just take the answer we already have on our calculator and multiply by 100 to get 37, or sorry, should be 37.5%. If we don't want to use our calculator, we can simply take our decimal and move it 2 places to the right. So what I need you to do now is make sure this entire practice page is finished, all 6 sections. Use your notes if you need. And then once you have finished the entire thing, you're going to come back here to Google Classroom, where you are going to find the answer key that I have posted, and you can check all of your answers.